Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create a GitHub account. As I discussed in our previous lecture, to store our code or to share our code with the group of people or with team, we should have a GitHub account, right? Let's go and create it. I'm on my browser. Let's search for create GitHub account. Okay, you can see first link github.com and join. Let me click on this one. And this is taking us directly to a create your account page. Rather than coming over here, let's go to home page, and this is the home page of github.com. Okay, here you can sign up by clicking on this one, or else by default it is a sign up page. We can provide our details over here. So I'm going to give some username, and this username should be unique, it should not be identical. I'm giving Velaxy demo account. Okay, just I'm giving some random name so that this account name should not be used by any others. And email id I'm giving galaxytechnologies@gmail.com. Hopefully with this account I don't have any GitHub account, and I'm giving some password. Okay, I have given email id and password. Now sign up for GitHub. So it came to the create your account page. Here we need to verify our account. To verify our account, we need to solve a puzzle. So let's verify. Done. And join a free plan. And this you can uncheck if you don't want to receive any notifications. And what kind of work do you do? I'm a software engineer student or product manager. In this case, I'm software engineer I'm choosing. Next, how much programming experience do you have? I can say a little. And what do you plan to use GitHub? I can say that learn Git and GitHub. I'm interested. So in case if you are interested on any languages, you can specify over here, but I'm leaving this as empty and complete setup. So now my account has been created, but to activate it, we need to validate our email ID. But I have already an account, so I don't want to create a new account again, but this is how we can create an account. Let me log into my existing account. For that one, I'm going back to my github.com, and it is by default logged into Velaxy demo account. I'm deleting this account because I don't want to create this account. Just quickly account and delete account. Okay, why? Because I don't need this account. Your username or email ID Velaxy. So we are deleting. Now I'm going to log in my default account, that is github.com, and sign in for my account. My account is ARSR319, and I am logging into my account. Alright, I have logged into my GitHub account, and this is the default landing page. I could see few repositories over here, but in your case you might not see these repositories if you create a new account. And you can find out more information about your account by clicking on your account settings. And I have logged in as a revd. Revd is my username, and you can see your profile, repositories, projects, all this information is there. So let me click on my profile, and this is the profile, and by default you will be in the overview page. And if you want to change your information, you can change it over here. And this will tell you that how frequently you are working on your repository. Green color means you are working actively on these areas. No color means it means that you are not working at all. Anyway, I have total 58 repositories on this account, and I can check out my repositories by clicking over here. So these all are the repositories which are available on this account. Anyway, we are going to see little more in the later point of time. In previous section, we have created a repository on our local system, right, by using git init. But here we need to create a repository over here by using new option. Anyway, we are going to see that one in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you there.